Hey everybody, I'm just going to record a very quick video on instructions on how to do peer review. So if you're a little confused, don't worry, this is common, it happens every semester. So I'm going to quickly go over it. And this applies to every peer review we're going to do. So you would obviously click on the peer review module, right? And I know there's two dates on here, and I know that's confusing, so don't feel bad. The reason why there's two dates is obviously there needs to be a time between when you post your draft and when a peer has some time to review it. So the first date, so the 25th, is when you should be posting your SA2 draft. And again, it should be about 2 pages, nothing too extreme. And then by the 28th, before midnight, you should be reviewing a peer's draft. So I'm going to kind of explain that. Also, there's all these questions that you're going to be answering as the peer reviewer. So I'm going to just pretend like I'm a student and I'm going to be posting my paper. So what you want to do is you want to reply. So say like, okay, I've got my paper, I'm ready to post it. So you'd hit reply. And then down below, and I'm just going to go to an old paper of mine from like my undergrad, you would copy your paper and you would paste it in. Okay? That's all you would do. And then you would post it. See how my entire paper is posted now? Okay, so I've done the thing. Make sure you do that before tomorrow at midnight, so before Friday morning. And then, okay, I'm up here. Now I'm going to go in. Now these are all the questions I'm going to ask you to answer about your peer's paper. So what you could do is copy these and let's say, oh, here's, Jessica the student. She hasn't been reviewed yet. So don't review anyone that's already been reviewed. You want to review someone new. So what I would do is I would reply to student Jessica's paper and just copy and paste the questions in and then read over the paper and answer all the questions. And you would just like type them in here, right? Sorry, I know this looks like gibberish. And obviously you can make this look nicer by separating it if you want. Okay, and so that's all you have to do. Just make sure you answer all of the questions that are in peer review. There's 5, so just make sure you answer all of them, and that's how you're going to get credit for peer review. And then when you're ready, you would just post the reply. Okay, and that tells you like, let's say, oh, Jessica posted her paper. Oh, oops. Okay, someone's already peer reviewed it, so I should move on to the next student. So basically, everybody should be reviewed by someone different. All right. That's it. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know.